Hello friends, good afternoon. Today we have a well-known scheme of Government of India which is Adopt a Heritage Scheme. This scheme was well-known to everyone. It was it was started by the Central Government of India in the 27 September 2070 on the World Tourism Day, on the occasion of World Tourism Day 27 September 2070 by the President of India, Sri Ramnath Kovind ji. The main motive to start this scheme, that means uh, to make the available all the heritage important monument to the people who want to make them adopt, in view of taking care of them, looking after them, like maintenance of them, that means making available all the amenities, developing like a toilets, maintaining the cleaning and hygiene over there, and constructions works whichever been taken place. So by taking these all concept, the government of India has started a scheme by which the heritage important monument can be adopted by the any organizations who need to look after these monuments uh, very effectively, and so that they can make it, or they can do a less burden over the government. So that's how this scheme was started by the central government of India. So initially 93 monuments, actually 93 monuments has been listed to be available to adopt by the people. So in the first phase, initial phase, 10 monuments has been adopted by the different organizations, different groups. So what all these heritage monuments are there and which have been adopted by the different people. So first first group, which is the Dalmia Group Limited. So Dalmia Group Limited has been adopted two very important heritage monuments. One is Gandikota Fort. Gandikota is one of the historical village which is located in the Panna River in Andhra Pradesh. So this fort is very important historically, along with the Red Fort, New Delhi. So both the heritage monument has been adopted by the Dalmia Group. So since then, the Dalmia Group has been taking or looking after both the monuments, Gendikonta Fort and Red Fort. Second group, which is the Yatra Online, this is one of the tour operator in India. So it has been taking care of or looking after the Qutub Minar, New Delhi, Ajanta Cave in Aurangabad district, Maharashtra, and Leh Palace in Ladakh, and Hajararam Temple. Hajararam Temple is one of the historical temple which is located in the Hampi, Karnataka. So these collectively four monument has been adopted under the Adopt a Heritage Scheme by the Yatra Online group. Qutub Minar, Ajanta Cave, Leh Palace, and Hajararam Temple. Next, by the adventure tour operator, this is one of the travel company in India. So it has adopted Gangotri Temple along with the Gomukh Trail, the nearby area to the Gangotri Temple, which is located in the Uttarakhand district, and along with Kargil track and Ladakh. Kargil track and Ladakh, the both places has been adopted by the adventure tour operator under the scheme of heritage, under the Adopt a Heritage Scheme. Next, Apaji Group, which is the group of hotel group. So Jantar Mantar Delhi, the monument Jantar Mantar Delhi has been adopted by the Apaji Group. Next, which is the Bliss Resort Group, has been adopted the Suraj Kund. Suraj Kund is like a rural village which is located in the Haryana, where every year they are celebrating the Suraj Kund craft festival in the month of Feb. So these initial phase, these all 10 monuments, the historical 10 monuments has been adopted by the different different group. Those are associated either in the travel company or in the hotel group. So now they are taking care of them in regard of like making the available facility over there, taking care of the amenities, cleanliness, water facility, safety and security, and the construction work. So these all the concept behind it, that means to lease the burden of a government So these monument make be more better. So that's why it was started in 27 September 2017 on the occasion of World Tourism Day, International World Tourism Day. So now this scheme is doing well, adopt a heritage scheme. So sometimes the questions will ask from these adopt heritage scheme, like which monument has been taken by which organizations and which is the heritage monument. So thank you.